Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a really super cute project. Some of you may be familiar with this project. I did this one last year. This is a backpack mini album and it's using paper bags. So I brought it back by popular demand. This was a really old class that I did on Ustream. So I've redesigned it and I'm gonna have a class this Wednesday, the 7th, which is September 7th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time on my Ustream channel. I have also created a tutorial for this piece, and I've, again, completely redesigned from the original. This is the original, not too much of a departure from using paper bags, and in terms of the design of the backpack, we're still using all the straps. We're using the closure piece right here that I designed, and again, we're going to create this yoke here for the backpack. Super sweet project. This is the sample that I made in order to create the tutorial. I only use 4 paper bags, which is why it's super thin, and there's no photographs or anything in this one. So it's got a really low profile on this piece, but nonetheless super fabulous still. This is a traditional school style album or project that one would make, but this is what my backpack would look like if I were going to school right now. Completely blinged up, and I love houndstooth print. And this paper had a pattern paper that had the houndstooth print, and I love it. This is a pocket right here that's completely functional, and it's like a wallet style pocket where you can add some photographs. And then this original has a Velcro closure, and the redesigned one has a magnet. These magnets will be available for sale on my blog as well if you're interested, also along with a tutorial on step-by-step on how to make this piece. And this is how it opens up. I've redesigned the bags. I made a special pocket add-on page here that this flips up like this, and you get another opportunity for a photograph there. And let me pull this mat out here and over here, and then on the backs, and then you have a little pocket over here. This pocket is reinforced with a folded edge, and I've been doing that lately, and I love the way that feels, and I know that that's going to be durable, especially if your kiddies are going to be looking at this album, and I'm sure they're going to want to look at it once you're done. Here is the basic pocket for the bag. Pocket, because of course we're still using the pocket for the bag. And then on the flip side, I did something a little different. I did a pull down library pocket, and I really love the way that looks. Super cute, something different. You still have the tag poking out over here. This flips down for another photograph or perhaps journaling, and then you have your basic side pocket right here. So love the way that turned out. I'll show you all how I did that. So just to give you something special for those of you who are going to do the paper bag album, the backpack style, not using the same pages. So you get an opportunity to use all these different style pages with this paper bag album, and I truly love the way that looks. And for those of you who are curious as to what paper line this is, super gorgeous papers. This is a new paper line by Recollections. You can find this at Michael's. These are done by Die Cuts with a View, so you can definitely know that the quality is definitely there. I adore Die Cuts with a View paper. I love it because their prints are fantastic, and you get lots of paper, and I use lots of paper in my project. So that's one of the things I love, or a few of the things that I love about Die Cuts with a View. And now Michael's has an exclusive collection, and their exclusive collection is Recollections, and you can find this stack over there. Really fun. It's not traditional school papers, but there's lots of and I'll show you here. I use it for these for my hinges. Lots of school style writing paper in this one, and I really love it. The banners are kind of festive, and the bold prints just reminds me of something that I would have loved to have, like on my notebook covers, my file folder covers while I was in school. Not necessarily the primary colors. I didn't have a red, white, and green backpack that looked like a box of crayons, right? We all had our favorite color backpacks. So that was the inspiration behind the paper selection for this backpack. I love the color combination of hot pink and green, and here I used it, and then I was able to incorporate the houndstooth because this paper collection is perfect. I absolutely adore it. It kind of has like that I use the out of print paper collection from Basic Gray on my envelope mini album series that I did here on YouTube. And this one kind of has that flavor with the see, like this one particularly right here with the printing, and again with all of the writing style paper. Here, look at this one right here. And here's a grid page. I mean, it's perfect for a girl school album. I love it. And again, not keeping in the traditional fashion of the primary colors. Look at how pretty these journaling blocks here, and if you cut your paper strategically, it works out perfectly to mat your page. So, and here are these fantastic tags, things to do. There's the numbers 1 through 9. There's a ruler. Love that. So I thought it was perfect for school. Let me show you a quick, if I have it here, how fantastic. Oh, I can show you in the album how fantastic these bold prints still work in the for a smaller style album. Just cropping it works out perfectly. Here I used the paper and extended it and cut it perfectly so I can create a pocket and the back mat for this page, still using the same paper and not breaking up that beautiful bold print. So super fun, guys. This class again, Wednesday, September 7th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Be sure to join me. The tutorial is posted to my blog. I didn't print out a copy, but it looks like my basic tutorials. If for those of you who are familiar, you get step-by-step instruction. You also get the template for this flap closure right here. It's 2 templates, a small one and a large one. You can find those at the very end of the tutorial. And you also get the cutting guide, which allows you to cut every single piece down to size, and then you can go ahead with the assembly and the instructions of the project. So super fun. I can't wait to see you all get your papers together, decide whether you want to make a basic primary colored style album, traditional school colors, or if you want to jazz it up for that little special kitty that you have in your life and make it their own. So I'll see you all. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'll have the Ustream link below for your convenience. And until Wednesday, my friends, bye-bye.